Hello, students. Today we'll read chapter 7 of your English literature book, and the name of the chapter is Honest Meena. So, let's start. Varun Pratap's house is quiet. Everyone looks pale with fear except Kanti Devi. That means Varun Pratap is a character whose house was quiet. That means everyone was quiet in the house. Everyone looks pale with fear. So everyone was looking pale with fear except Kanti Devi. That means Kanti Devi was the only person who was not fearful, who was not afraid. Kanti Devi on the telephone. That means Kanti Devi was talking over the telephone. Hello, is this police station? I am Kanti Devi, Mr. Varun Pratap's wife. So, she called the police and she informed that she is Kanti Devi. She gave her introduction to the police that she is Kanti Devi, Mr. Varun Pratap's wife. Voice on the telephone. Voice on the phone. Mr. Varun Pratap, the scientist. The voice, that means the person on the other side, asked that is this that Varun Pratap who is the scientist? Kanti Devi. Yes, I am Kanti Devi calling from Mr. Varun Pratap's house. Yes, you are right. I am Kanti Devi, his wife, and I am calling from Mr. Varun Pratap's house. Voice. This is Inspector Chaudhary. What can I do for you, ma'am? So, the person who was on the other side was Inspector Chaudhary. And he asked that in what way he can help Kanti Devi. Kanti Devi. Inspector Chaudhary, you will have to come to my house immediately. She called him immediately to her house. My husband has been murdered. He was working in his lab late last night. As usual, I had gone to sleep after dinner. This morning, my maid Meena Bai woke me up and told me that my husband had been murdered in his bedroom. Please come over right away, Inspector. So, she informed the police, she informed the inspector that her husband was murdered and last night he was working in his lab like every day, and next morning, that means today, when she woke up, that time her maid servant Meena Bai informed her about her husband's murder. So she called the police to her house immediately. Inspector, I am very sorry to hear about the incident, ma'am. Inspector said, this is a very bad incident, ma'am, and I am very sorry to hear it. I will come within 10 minutes. He told her that within 10 minutes he will come to her house. Meanwhile, please don't let anyone leave the house. I need to speak to everyone. So he said that within 10 minutes he will come, and meanwhile she should not let anyone leave the house because the inspector need to talk to everyone in order to investigate about the murder. Kanti Devi. Okay, I will not let anyone leave. She said okay. Meena Bai. That means the maid servant. She was scared. And she said, ma'am, please let me go home, ma'am. I am terribly afraid of policemen. Ma'am, I don't want to stay here when they come. Begins to cry. Meena Bai, she started crying because she was very much scared, and she requested her mistress, that means Mrs. Kanti Devi, to let her go home because she was afraid of policemen. Kanti Devi. Meena, there's no need to cry. Only the guilty will be punished. She told Meena not to cry because only the guilty person will be punished. Naman Kumar. Meena is crying for her master, ma'am. She was very fond of master. Naman Kumar said that Meena is crying because she loved the master, that means Mr. Varun Pratap, a lot. Kanti Devi. Who wasn't? He was such an amazing man, so full of kindness and love for everyone. Who could have killed such a nice man? Kanti Devi said, is there anyone who doesn't love Mr. Varun Pratap? Because Varun Pratap was such an amazing person. He was so kind that everyone used to love him. Naman Kumar, who indeed, starts crying. So, he also started crying. Inspector Chaudhary, hello ma'am. Mr. Pratap was loved by everyone. I can't believe this. Inspector said that Mr. Varun Pratap was an amazing person. So I can't believe that this thing has happened to him. Kanti Devi, Inspector, do whatever you can to find the murderer. I can't forgive the evil person who did this to my dear husband. She said that anyhow you find out the actual murderer, because I'm not going to spare that person who had murdered my dear husband. Inspector, can I talk to all the members of your household one by one? Inspector asked permission from Kanti Devi to talk to everyone who used to work in her house. Kanti Devi, yes, Meena, Naman, the lab assistant, and Anshul, our clerk, are here now. So, Meena was the maid servant, Naman, he was the lab assistant, and Anshul, the clerk, are here now. My daughter Priyanka, so Priyanka is her daughter, and my brother-in-law Arun are also here. Brother-in-law means Varun Pratap's brother Arun was also there. Anshul, you come here first. So Anshul was the first person who were asked to come for investigation. Anshul Singh, shivering. He was shivering out of fear. Good morning, sir. I come from an honest family. My father worked for Master's father for 30 years. After my father's death, I have worked for Master for 17 years. Why would I kill Master? Anshul, he was shivering in fear, and he informed the police that his father used to serve Varun Pratap's father for 30 years. And when his father was died, that time he started serving Mr. Varun Pratap for last 17 years. Inspector, nobody said that you have killed your master. Calm down and tell me, who visited your master yesterday? So the inspector told him to calm down and tell who was the last person who visited Mr. Varun Pratap. Anshul Singh, Mr. Ajay Lal, master's friend, visited him for a few minutes before dinner. So Mr. Lal, who was the friend of Mr. Varun Pratap, visited him last night. Inspector, and Anshul Singh, I saw him go in. Soon my work was over and I left for the day. Anshul said that I saw him go inside the lab, and when my work was over, I left the house. Inspector, do you stay till dinner time every day? So, do you stay every day till dinner time? Anshul, no, yesterday I had some work. No, yesterday I had some work, and for that I had to stay bit longer. Inspector, what kind of work did you have? Anshul, Master, that means Mr. Varun Pratap, wanted some printouts of his research papers. That means Mr. Varun Pratap was researching something. He was researching something. Yesterday, he was very happy because he got the results he was looking for. So, yesterday was a very good day for Master because he got the results of his research work. Inspector, which results? That time Kanti Devi interrupted the inspector. My husband was working on a medicine that could cure cancer. my husband was working on a medicine that can cure cancer. Last week, he told me that he was sure that this medicine had great power to cure cancer and that a medical company was willing to pay crores of rupees for the findings. So, Kanti Devi informed the police that last week my husband told me that this medicine is very powerful and there is one medical company who are very much willing to pay crores of rupees for this medicine. Inspector, how many people knew about this research project, ma'am? How many people knew about it? Kanti Devi, everyone in our house and of course Mr. Lal. Mr. Lal, the friend of Varun Pratap, and everyone in our house knew this. Priyanka, barging in. He was barging in. Mother, what's happening here? My father is not with us anymore and you are staging a drama here. Priyanka was very rude to her mother. She said that now my father is not alive and you are staging this kind of drama here. Kanti Devi, calm down Priyanka. I know how you feel, but we have to let the inspector do his job. She told Priyanka to calm down and she also told her to let the inspector do his job. Inspector, now Anshul Singh, were the printouts you get for your master with him when he met Mr. Lal? Inspector asked that when Mr. Lal visited Mr. Varun Pratap, that time the printouts were there with him or not? Anshul, I don't know if he had them with him when Mr. Lal visited. Anshul said, I don't know. Inspector, now you are saying something different, Anshul. First you said that you were there when Mr. Lal visited because you had to take printouts. You gave your master the printouts and left for the day. Then he would have had it when Mr. Lal visited, right? So that then inspector was investigating and he was charging him that now you are giving a different statement. Firstly, you said that you were there to give the printouts to your master and you saw that Mr. Lal visited him. And now you are saying that you don't know that when Mr. Lal visited your master, that time the printouts were there or not. Anshul starts crying loud. Sir, I have 2 young children, a wife and an old mother. I love my master. Please don't ask me difficult questions. I don't want this job anymore. Let me go. This house will not be the same without my master. He became very much fearful. Anshul started crying. And he was requesting the policeman, the inspector, to let him go. So, up to this we have read today, and the next portion of this story we will read in the next video. Okay? Thank you.